How to buy RXS Finance token, a complete step-by-step guide. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to buy RXS, also known as Finance tokens. If you're looking to make an investment in this promising project, I'll walk you through the entire process, from researching the project to making your first purchase. However, before we dive into the step-by-step instructions, a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial professional or an economic expert, so it's crucial that you do your own research, DYOR, before investing in any cryptocurrency or blockchain project that you find on my channel. Cryptocurrency is a high-risk market, and it's always best to carefully consider your decisions, stay informed, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now, let's dive in and take a look at how you can safely buy the RXS token. Step 1. Understand the project. What is RXS Finance? Before you make any purchase, it's important to understand what the RXS Finance project is all about. RXS is a decentralized finance, DeFi, project designed to offer unique solutions in the cryptocurrency space. The token aims to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world, offering features like yield farming, staking, and other decentralized finance products. If you're interested in buying RXS, you should start by following the official project channels to stay updated on developments. This includes checking their social media accounts, official Telegram group, and Twitter. By staying connected with the community, you'll be able to get news, updates, and any potential changes to the project. One important thing to note is that RXS is currently in the pre-sale phase, meaning that the token has not yet been fully launched on major exchanges. This presents a unique opportunity for early investors, but also involves some risk, as there is still uncertainty regarding the token's future value and overall market acceptance. Step 2. Check CoinMarketCap for token information. To verify the token's legitimacy and get more details, head over to CoinMarketCap, which is one of the most reliable platforms for tracking cryptocurrencies. There, you can check the current price, trading volume, market cap, and available exchanges for RXS. Open your browser and go to CoinMarketCap. Type RXS or Finance into the search bar. Review the token's performance on the platform. Look at its market cap, price history, and liquidity. When you see the token listed on CoinMarketCap, you know it's a legitimate project that is gaining attention in the cryptocurrency community. This is an important step to verify that you're making an informed decision. Step 3. Choose an exchange platform. As of now, RXS Finance is available for purchase through its pre-sale website. However, the token will likely be listed on major exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or KuCoin once it launches officially. If you're interested in buying RXS at the pre-sale stage, the best way to do that is via the project's official platform. Here's what you'll need to do. Find the official website. Go to the official website of Finance. Make sure to only use trusted, official links to avoid phishing scams. Verify the pre-sale page. On the website, you'll find the pre-sale section for buying RXS tokens. Make sure you're on the right page before proceeding. Read the instructions. Most pre-sale platforms will have detailed instructions on how to buy tokens. Take time to read through everything carefully to ensure that you're following the correct procedure. Step 4. Set up and connect your wallet. To purchase RXS tokens, you need a cryptocurrency wallet. There are several options available, but BitKit Wallet is one of the recommended wallets for this purchase. You can also use other wallets such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet, depending on your preference. Here's how you can set up your wallet. Download and install the wallet. If you don't already have BitKit or any other wallet installed, visit their official website and download the wallet that suits you. Be cautious of fraudulent websites. Stick to trusted sources like the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or the wallet's official website. Create a new wallet. After installing the wallet, you'll be prompted to create a new wallet. This usually involves creating a strong password and writing down a recovery phrase, also called a seed phrase. This seed phrase is essential in case you ever lose access to your wallet, so make sure to store it in a safe place. Fund your wallet. Before you can buy RXS, you need to deposit funds into your wallet. You can fund your wallet using ETH, USDT, or any other supported cryptocurrency. If you're using BitKit Wallet, you can transfer Ethereum or stablecoins from an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Step 5. Connect your wallet to the pre-sale platform. Once your wallet is set up and funded, the next step is to connect it to the RXS pre-sale platform. Here's how you do that. Go to the pre-sale website. Visit the official RXS pre-sale website. Connect your wallet. Look for the option to connect wallet. This button will typically be located on the top right of the web page. Select your wallet. Choose the wallet that you've set up, such as BitKit or MetaMask, and click Continue. Sign the connection request. Your wallet will ask you to confirm the connection. Make sure you're connecting the right wallet and approve the request. Now, your wallet is successfully connected to the pre-sale website, and you're ready to buy your RXS tokens. Step 6. Choose the amount you want to purchase. With your wallet connected, it's time to decide how much RXS you want to purchase. The pre-sale platform will typically allow you to buy using ETH, USDT, or other cryptocurrencies. Here's how to proceed. Set the purchase amount. On the pre-sale website, enter the amount of RXS you want to purchase. This will typically be based on the amount of ETH or USDT that you have in your wallet. Check the pricing and fees. Before confirming the purchase, double-check the current price of RXS. Make sure that you understand any associated fees, including transaction fees, gas fees, which are common when making transactions on blockchain networks like Ethereum. Verify token amount. Confirm the number of tokens you will receive in exchange for your ETH or USDT. Make sure you're satisfied with the exchange rate before proceeding. Step 7. Confirm the transaction. Once you've reviewed all the details, the next step is to finalize the purchase. Click on the Buy button. Once you're ready, click on the Buy Now button to initiate the transaction. Approve the transaction in your wallet. After you click Buy, a pop-up will appear in your connected wallet, e.g., BitKit wallet. You'll be asked to approve the transaction. Check for gas fees. Before confirming, ensure you have enough ETH or USDT in your wallet to cover both the cost of the tokens and the transaction fees, gas fees. If you're using Ethereum, gas fees can vary depending on network congestion. Confirm the transaction. Once you're sure everything is in order, click Approve in your wallet to confirm the transaction. After this, the pre-sale platform will begin processing your purchase. Step 8. Wait for confirmation. After confirming the transaction, you'll receive a confirmation message on the pre-sale platform. Your RXS tokens should appear in your wallet shortly. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. If you don't see your tokens right away, don't panic. Sometimes it takes a bit longer, especially if the blockchain network is busy. Step 9. Store your tokens safely. Once the transaction is complete, make sure to store your tokens safely. If you're not planning on trading them immediately, it's advisable to transfer your RXS tokens to a secure wallet that only you control. This adds an extra layer of security and protects you from potential hacks or exchange issues. If you prefer to keep your tokens on the pre-sale platform or exchange, make sure to enable any security features available, such as two-factor authentication, 2FA. Step 10. Monitor the project and token performance. Now that you've successfully bought RXS tokens, it's important to keep an eye on the project's progress. Follow the official social media channels, watch for any updates on major exchanges listing the token, and stay informed about new developments within the community. Remember, cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, so always be prepared for price fluctuations and market changes.